ranging from the spicy red onion to the milder sweet onion that is distinguished by its unique flavor. Taste and scent. As we begin this video, keep in mind that the focus is on raw onions because cooking can change the nutritional composition. Let us peel back the layers and find out why including raw onions in your meals every day could be the health boost you never knew you needed. Onions have long been a cornerstone of various cuisines, from the spicy curries to the savory stews of Europe. Ancient Egyptians revered onions for their symbolism of eternity, and in medieval Europe they were a dietary staple for both peasants and nobles alike. Top immune system strengthener. Raw onions are essential for boosting the formation of white blood cells, which strengthens your immune system. These immunological warriors are crucial for protecting your body from viruses, infections, and other dangerous invaders. In addition to aiding the white blood cells, the sulfur compounds in onions, especially allicin, have antibacterial qualities that help your immune system function more resiliently overall. Raw onions strengthen the body's defenses against illness. According to research, onions contain quercetin, which helps regulate the immune system so that it reacts to threats effectively without becoming hyperactive. This balanced immune response is essential for preventing and fighting off infections ranging from the common cold to more serious illnesses, so bid the sniffles farewell. Second, raw onions aid in heart health by actively reducing levels of low-density lipoprotein LDL, also referred to as bad cholesterol. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to plaque accumulation in arteries, which raises the risk of heart disease. Raw onions' antiviral and antibacterial qualities make them a natural remedy for the common cold and flu. Onions and sulfur compounds aid in cholesterol regulation, fostering a more favorable ratio of low-density lipoprotein, LDL, to high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol. Raw onions include a sulfur-containing substance called allicin, which is a cardiovascular hero. This organic substance not only lowers cholesterol but also promotes heart health in general. Better blood vessel function has been associated with allicin, which may help with circulation and reduce the risk of cardiovascular problems. Raw onions are a great complement to a heart-healthy diet since they contain substances that lower blood pressure. Sulfur and quercetin chemicals cooperate to relax blood arteries, resulting in excellent blood flow and stable blood pressure. By promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria, raw onions serve as prebiotics, feeding the good bacteria in your stomach. These bacteria are also known as probiotics, and they are essential for gut health maintenance. If you have ever experienced bloating or constipation, raw onions may provide a natural remedy. Raw onions also help digestion, vitamin absorption, and general gastrointestinal health. Onion fiber gives stool volume, encouraging regular bowel movements and avoiding constipation. Furthermore, the prebiotic qualities promote a healthy gut microbiota, which lowers the risk of bloating and other digestive issues. Fourth, anti-inflammatory qualities. Chronic inflammation frequently contributes to a number of illnesses, such as heart disease and arthritis. Raw onions save the day because they contain quercetin, a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory qualities. Consuming raw onions on a regular basis may assist people with inflammatory disorders like arthritis because quercetin reduces inflammation throughout the body by preventing the synthesis and release of inflammatory chemicals. While onions by themselves are not a cure, they can be a useful part of an anti-inflammatory diet for fitness enthusiasts, and raw onions might aid in the healing process after exercise. Onions and their anti-inflammatory ingredients may help reduce joint pain and stiffness associated with inflammatory illnesses. Number 5. Onion quercetin has been demonstrated to lessen muscular pain and inflammation following vigorous exercise. Sulforaphane, a sulfur molecule with well-established anti-cancer effects, has been related to the inhibition of cancer cell proliferation, making it a powerful weapon in the ongoing fight against cancer. Contrarily, quercetin has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help prevent a number of cancer forms. There is strong scientific evidence that raw onions have anti-cancer qualities. Although further research is required, Some studies indicate that the chemicals in onions may help stop the onset and spread of some malignancies, such as breast and stomach cancers. The research currently available highlights the potential of raw onions as a beneficial supplement to a diet that prevents cancer. Blood sugar regulation is number 6 for those with diabetes or those who are worried about their blood sugar levels. The amount of chromium in raw onions is especially significant. A trace mineral called chromium is essential for increasing insulin sensitivity, which helps cells react to insulin more efficiently. This can improve blood sugar regulation and lower the risk of insulin resistance. According to some research, raw onions may help lower blood sugar levels, which makes them a potentially useful addition to diabetics' diets. Onions' sulfur components may improve insulin sensitivity and increase insulin synthesis, which could lower blood sugar levels. Respiratory health at number 7. The sulfur compounds in onions, especially allicin, have antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities that can help relieve respiratory problems, such as a chronic cough or congestion. For those who suffer from seasonal allergies or asthma, including raw onions in their diet may help them breathe easier. Raw onions could provide a welcome change of pace. Onions' anti-inflammatory properties can aid in lowering airway irritation, which may lessen asthma symptoms. Onion's core has also been researched for its potential to reduce allergy symptoms by stabilizing mast cells and lowering histamine release. Raw onions have antibacterial qualities that help fight against respiratory infections. Onions' allicin and other sulfur-containing chemicals have been shown to have antiviral and antibacterial properties. Number 8. Bone health. Calcium is widely known for its function in keeping strong and healthy bones, and raw onions help to maintain bone health by supplying vital nutrients including calcium and vitamin C. The production of collagen, a protein necessary for bone structure, depends heavily on vitamin C. These nutrients work together to promote healthy bones generally and may lower the incidence of osteoporosis. Nutrients in raw onions, such as calcium, vitamin C, and other trace minerals, help to bone density and strength. Osteoporosis, a disorder marked by weak and brittle bones, is a serious worry, especially as we age. Number 9. Skin and hair advantages. Raw onions' high antioxidant content has the potential to revolutionize the health of your skin. Fight off free radicals. The chemicals that cause accelerated aging when raw onions are regularly consumed may shield skin from oxidative damage, resulting in smoother, more youthful-looking skin. Encouraging the formation of collagen, including raw onions in your diet, gives your body the building blocks for strong and healthy hair, which may help prevent problems like split ends and hair breakage. If you want luscious locks, the sulfur content in raw onions is your hair's best friend. Sulfur is an essential part of keratin, the protein that makes up hair strands. Detoxification is number 10. The main way that raw onions boost the body's natural detoxification processes is by aiding in liver function. Onions and sulfur compounds are involved in the liver's phase decontamination of the eyes as toxins build up in the body from a variety of sources. Pathways that aid in their neutralization and removal from the body become essential, and raw onions' detoxifying qualities are particularly beneficial. Assist in the removal of toxins through sweat and urine, which not only improves general health but may also benefit skin health by encouraging a clear and glowing complexion. Number 11. Protection of the eyes. Raw onions contain antioxidants that have additional health benefits, including protection against age-related macular degeneration. A common eye ailment called AMD can cause diminished or blurred central vision. Quercetin and vitamin A are examples of antioxidants that aid in scavenging free radicals that cause AMD. Fostering long-term vision health. Vitamin A is an essential nutrient for preserving general eye health, and raw onions add to your daily intake of this vitamin, which is essential for retinal function and is necessary for managing weight due to their low calorie density and low light and color vision. Raw onions' fiber content is a weight loss hidden weapon that lets you enhance the taste and nutritious quality of your meals without drastically altering your daily caloric consumption. Including raw onions in your meals can help you feel satisfied with fewer quantities, lowering the likelihood of overeating and helping your overall weight management efforts, since dietary fiber not only facilitates digestion but also fosters a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. We hope that this video about the health advantages of raw onions has encouraged you to include them in your regular cooking endeavors. We would be interested in learning about your experiences and inventive recipes that include raw onions. As with any dietary adjustments, it is crucial to find balance and customize your selections to your own requirements and preferences. Share your thoughts and join the discussion on the remarkable health benefits of this understated yet potent vegetable. Seek individualized guidance from medical professionals, particularly if you have particular health issues or diseases.